Hey everybody, this is Morgan here at National Allergy and ENT, and today we are going to be discussing food allergy and food allergy testing, specifically validated and unvalidated ways that you can perform allergy testing for food. So what is a food allergy? A food allergy is an IgE-mediated response that happens in our immune system whenever you come into contact with a certain food. IgE is the allergy antibody in our immune system. With this, you may experience itching, hives, shortness of breath, wheezing, vomiting, upset stomach, and even dizziness. There are two ways that we can perform food allergy testing. One way is through skin testing, where we would place some extract on the surface of the skin, use this tool, scratch the skin at the area, and see if you have a response. If you have a response, you may notice mild itching, redness, and swelling at that area, indicating that you may have an allergy to that specific food. Another way that we can perform testing is through blood work. This is a way that we can evaluate the specific level of IgE for that certain food. There's a new market for at-home or in-office testing for food allergy. These tests are performed through hair analysis, urine analysis, and blood work evaluating IgG. IgG is the memory antibody in our immune system. It is important to note that IgE and IgG are different and that IgE is needed to appropriately make a diagnosis of food allergy. Relying primarily on other forms of testing can often lead to overdiagnosis and unnecessary food avoidance. If you have food allergy concerns, it is best to consult with your provider or allergist to ensure you are receiving a diagnosis and treatment plan that is tailored for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here at National Allergy and ENT. Thanks and have a great day.